What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so we have a word problem here. The triangle's drawn, the sides are labeled. So what do we know that has the relationship of the sides? Correct, the Pythagorean theorem. So we have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And c is a special one, right? That, ladies and gentlemen, is the hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and make the hypotenuse there purple, right? And label that side. Hypotenuse, okay? All right, so now that we have that, the legs would be my A and B. So that part doesn't really matter which order you put it in. You could put x squared plus 50 squared, or you can put 50 squared plus x squared. Doesn't really matter. What's important is that the 90 has to make it to that side. All right, so my x squared here is going to equal to this 90 squared minus this 50 squared. And 90 squared minus 50 squared is going to give me 5,600. So when I take the square root of both sides, x is going to equal to the square root of 5,600. And what I need to do is break down that 5,600 so that I can get the exact answer. So 5,600. You can do this as a factor tree, or you can do it this way. So what I know is 2 goes into 5,600. How many times? It goes into it, let me see here, 2,800 times. And 2 again goes into 2,800, 1,400 times. 2 can go into that. 700 times. 2 can go into that. 350 times. 2 can still go into that. 175 times. Well, I guess I can't use 2 anymore, so I guess I'm going to 5s. All right, so 5 can go into that 35 times, and 5 can still go into that 7 times. So what I have now is that x is going to equal to the square root of all of these. So I have what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2, 4, times 2, ooh. Something changed. 5 times 5 times 7, okay? Now, the index of a square root is a 2, right? So that means we're going to look for pairs. So let's go ahead and look for pairs. So here we have a pair of 2s. Actually, let me do it this way. We have a pair of 2s. Then we have a pair of 2s. Another pair of 2s, I should call it. And then I have a pair of 5s. Okay? So that's what I have. So those get to come out to play. So I'm going to have, so x is going to equal to 2 times 2 times 5. Ooh, that's a bad 5. There we go. Times the square root of what's left over. So if you look at what's left over, we got this, which is a 2 and a 7. And 2 times 7 is going to be 14. And so therefore x is going to equal to 2 times 2 times 5, which is 20, square root of 14. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is choice C. And I hope that answers your questions. But if you have any, please let me know. See ya. Bye.